Hello my dear friends, Michael is with you on the channel. Today I'm going to show you a budget smartphone X5 from Doogee company. Smartphone X5 firstly was shown by Doogee company in August of 2015. Due to low price, only $60, smartphone from Doogee company take a leading position among line of budget smartphones. Design of Doogee X5 smartphone and locating of elements on a body of smartphone X5 seems like on a smartphone Xiaomi Mi 5. Budget smartphone supplied with two basic body colors, dark and white. Smartphone Doogee X5 has a powerful 4-core processors with 1.3 GHz of frequency and graphic accelerator Mali 400MP, which provide a high performance level of smartphone. Integrated into smartphone 1 GB of RAM allows in most cases to download and use all Google Play Market apps. Smartphone supports two SIM cards with micro SIM format and data transfer over 2G and 3G networks only. Smartphone has 5-inch display with IPS matrix, which has HD resolution 1280 by 720, provide high quality display of all interface elements, watch movies in HD quality and during simple internet surf. Smartphone allows to get high quality pictures due to 8 megapixel back cam and 5 megapixel selfie cam which placed on the front side of the device. Also front side webcam allows to communicate over Skype. For such low price, budget smartphone has a very worthy characteristics. Now let's do unbox of the smartphone Doogee X5. Smartphone and all rest content placed into a tight box which is easy to open from the back side. There are two sections inside of the box. In first place, smartphone itself, accuracy packed into white plastic soft touch packed, which detail review will be further. There is quick start guide, guarantee card from manufacturer and guarantee card from seller. Pack also contained adapter compatible with European Type socket, which has input voltage range from 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 Hz, with output voltage 5 volts 700 mA. On adapter's back side placed USB socket for connected to the smartphone. Second section contained USB cable with USB micro USB interface, further for connect smartphone to the computer or to the charging device. Now let's do detailed considerate review of smartphone X5 itself from Doogee company. Smartphone has powerful 4-core Cortex A7 processor MT6580 by MediaTek with 1.3 GHz frequency and 32-bit architecture. Processor designed by using 28nm technology and has 512 kilobit of L2 cache, which provide proper level of power saving and performance, which is the best solution for budget smartphone. Processor has a powerful graphic accelerator Mali 400MP, which in its turn provide high quality and performance in games of 2015 with resolution 720p and even with 1080p, also while watching movies in HD quality. Single-core graphic accelerator Mali 400MP has a low power consumption, which is positive for standalone operation of the device. From the right side of the smartphone placed turn on turn off button and volume control button. Left side is empty. From the bottom side of the smartphone, place speech microphone and high quality dynamic, which transfer sounds clearly without any distortion. On upper side of the smartphone, comfy placed micro USB hole for connecting smartphone to the adapter or to the computer, and standard 3.5mm mini jack for connecting headsets or headphones or selfie. By using OTG cable, which is absent in basic configuration, it is possible to connect to the smartphone flash drives or other SSD or HDD device with unlimited volume. Smartphone Doogee X5 supplies with installed screen protection, which protects screen from scratches and damages that pleases. Smartphone has 5-inch display with IPS matrix, which provide improved displaying with wide view angles up to 180 degrees. Display supports 1280 by 720 resolution, which with pixel density 294 ppi and aspect ratio 16:9 and 24-bit color depth. Display itself into smartphone X5 supports 2-point multi-touch, only which is good for scaling web pages. On the front side of the smartphone, placed speech dynamic, which transfers sounds without any distortions. Nearby placed luminosity and approximation detectors. From front 5MP selfie cam, wide angle of view up to 80 degrees, has maximum picture resolution while shooting 1920 by 2560, which will suitable for communication over Skype. Cam has face recognition and gestures control functions to easy shooting of the pictures and videos and smartphone management while making appropriate upper adjustment settings. Smartphone Doogee X5, besides above-mentioned detectors, has an orientation, sound loudness, gyroscope, accelerometer and magnetic field sensors that extends functional abilities of the device by special software which is available on Google Play Market. On the back side of the smartphone, comfy placed 8MP cam with autofocus and 8 software a multiplied digital zoom, which allows to make high-quality pictures with 3264 by 2448 resolution and records video with 30 fps and 1280 by 720 resolution, that is 720p, which has 3GP format. Nearby placed powerful LED light, which can be used by light by means of special software installation. Remove back cover of the smartphone. Under the cover, placed lithium-ion battery on 2400 mAh, 2 slots of SIM cards with micro SIM cards format and slot of micro SD cards with 32 gigs volume supports only. Battery into smartphone, providing long operation time of the device, and it works while communication. While continuous conversation time into 2G networks up to 11 hours and waiting time up to 90 hours. Into 3G networks, conversation time is up to 10 hours and waiting time is up to 90 hours. Besides, into smartphone can work during all day at moderate settings and to moderate application using. Please that fact, the developers of the smartphone timely have made a replaceable battery and user can easily replace battery by himself. Slot for 2G networks works on frequencies 850, 900, 1800 and 1900 MHz, while 3G SIM card slot works on frequencies 850, 1900 and 2100 MHz, wherein both SIM cards stays active in standby mode, but not at conversation. Smartphone works under the Android 5.1 Lollipop with WebUI 2.0 operation system, which due to common improvements in system stability and heightened attention to battery saving wholly increased system performance. Smartphone supports Wi-Fi 8.8 802.11 RBGN, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, RGPS and USB 2.0. With the dimension 72.2 by 143 by 8.8 mm, weight of the device is 160 grams only. Smartphone Doogee X5, combining definition, price, quality, is one of the best smartphones in budget class. For our relatively low cost, only for $60, you will get a reliable and comfy smartphone. Also, welcome on our website tefida.com, where you can download for free webcam themes made by using Bootstrap 3 engine. And if you have a question to ask, take active part in our discussions on our forum. Links you will find when you click at the top of the screen at the prompt. This concludes our review of smartphone Doogee X5. Thank you for your attention. Michael was with you today. Don't miss new interesting novelties of computer technologies and use them in your own practice. Like the video, share your comments under the video and subscribe. See you soon.